Let us analyze. Okay, meron tayong mga given na measurement. We have angle 1 measures 75 degree. Angle 4 is 105 degree. Angle 3 is 45 degree. And angle 6 is, angle 2 is 60 degree. First, what do you think is the measure of angle 5? Anyone? Conchada. How to get 105 degree? Anong ginamit mo, anak? Anong angle? Very good. Angle 4 and angle 5. They are, what is the relationship? Vertical angle, meaning they are congruent. Next, what do you think is the measure of angle 6? Manares. Ano po ang ginamit natin? Anong tawag doon? What is the relationship of angle 2 and angle 6? They are linear pair. They are adjacent. Exterior angle, meaning just subtract kanino? Kay 180 degree. Therefore, the answer is 120 degree. And what is the measure of angle 7? Salas, 120 degree. How about angle 9? Pabelyar? 135. How to get the measure of angle 9? Just subtract 45 to 180 degree. Because angle 3 and angle 9 are linear pair, adjacent sila, exterior angle. Therefore, 135 degree. And angle 8 is also very good, 135 degree. So, do you understand? Okay, now let us complete the given table. So, based on the given triangle, identify all the exterior angle. What are the exterior angle using this triangle? Pabelyar. Name all.
Angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7.
Okay, next. After getting the exterior angle, let us identify the remote interior of each angle. First, angle 4. What is the remote interior of angle 4? Mones. Okay, angle 2 and angle 3. Now, what is the remote interior of angle 5? Dula. Yun. Next, Mendoza. What is the remote interior of angle 6? Okay, angle 1 and angle 3. Madredeo. What is the remote interior of angle 7? Angle 1 and angle 3. Next, yung tabi ni Mones. What is the remote interior of angle 8? Kahit dyan man lang, alam nyo na. Next, Soriano. What is the remote interior of angle 9? Angle 1 and angle 2. Now, lagay na natin yung measurement ng bawat angle. Again, what is the measure of angle 4? 105 degree. How about the measure of angle 2? 60 degree. And angle 3? 45 degree. Again, to find the measure of the exterior angle, just add the two remote interior. So, 60 plus 45, makukuha na natin sa exterior angle. Naintindihan po? Next, what is the measure of angle 5? How about angle 2? And angle 3? Ganun din po. 60 plus 45, 105 pa rin. Do you understand how to find the measure of the exterior angle given the two remote interior? Okay, this time class, let us compare. What can you say about the measure of one of its remote interior? So, i-compare natin. The measure of angle 2 is 60 degree. And the measure of the exterior angle is 105 degree. What can you say about the measurement of the two angles? Mas mataas si... Okay, laging mas mataas si exterior kumpara sa isa niyang interior or remote interior. So, meaning class, the exterior angle is always greater than to one of its remote interior angle. Never mangyayari na mas mataas to compare dito. Diba? Okay, paano makukuha to? Pinagpa-plus nga po itong dalawa para makuha si exterior angle. Again, the measure of an exterior angle is always greater than the measure of any. Alinman sa dalawang yon, isa lang. Mas mataas yung exterior angle kumpara sa kanyang mga interior or remote interior angle. So, do you understand the meaning of that? Okay, at dito anak pumasok si exterior angle inequality theorem. So, any question about exterior angle inequality theorem?